All right, guys, we got a towing Beamer right here. It's a 2018 340 B58 car. It was involved in an accident. As you can see, got some side damage. Customer got a negative battery cable replaced. Got a new battery in it, and it wouldn't start. It would just click, 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 click. No matter what they did, they wouldn't get it to fire. So they towed it into us. We went ahead and put a battery charger on it. Went to start it, no starter. It had enough voltage, it just would not fire, would click. So I went to check the starter, pull the starter out, bench tested the starter. The starter would engage, and sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. We had another B58 starter, so we put another starter in it, and it will still just click. So we started diagnosing and see where everything was, getting supplied from. And it's a battery tester. We got our handy power probe out, and up in there it's our fuse box. So we checked the fuse there, fuse panel, everything was good. We checked all the fuses, everything seemed good. We went ahead and pulled the codes, see what we had. We cleared the codes, but this right here was shorted out. Your positive cable. So after an accident, they get shorted out. So I guess after trying so much to start the car, I guess they hurt the starter, weakened the starter, shorted the starter. We put a pre-owned starter in it. We went ahead and fixed the cable, and boom, now she's up and running, no problem. It wouldn't charge it. We got it to start after the starter by putting a jump box to it. We got it to fire, but it wouldn't charge the battery. It would stay at like 11 volts, and as you guys can see now, it's charging 14.2. Diagnosed, confirmed.